Recently chatted with Luckett Vineyards owner and general manager Geena Luckett about their recently released line of bag-in-the-box wines. These wines, labeled under their Foam Box brand, are premium, local, convenient, and better for our environment.
I don't think it's any secret. We really like to try new things. One of the benefits, I think, of being of a winery of a smaller size, in a region like Nova Scotia, there is a lot of opportunity to try new things and be really innovative. And for us, these foam box wines, they're some of our best SKUs, our best performing wines. So it was only kind of a natural next step for us to try new format. And we've been hearing from customers, including NSLC, that they were really starting to seek out more premium and local options for larger format wines. So it was something that we had been wanting to try for a while. We trialed it 2 years ago with just the foam box white and foam box red and just did a really small lot, bought a bag and box, which is not our winemaker's most favorite task. It's a little more labor intensive sometimes, but we had really great success. There's a lot of exciting benefits about box wines, and naturally with the marketing, foam box wines, it just works. The foam box has been really what we've built our marketing around. So we have, and for anyone who hasn't been, we have an actual operational foam box located in the middle of our vineyard. To my knowledge, we're the only one in the world. Nobody has brought that, challenged me on that. So that's pretty exciting. And this foam box can actually as I mentioned, is operational. It's set up through Bell, and you can actually call anywhere in North America for free. So it's been a really big part of our marketing, our branding, our customer experience. We have people who come really from all over the world now to make their phone call, which is pretty amazing. And it's always great if they'll actually stop in and try some wine too. So it was, the foam box series started with our, when the winery started. We've had foam box white and foam box red right from the get-go. So it's been over 11, 12 years now with foam box white, foam box red. Foam box rosé is the newest. That was new for us this year, last year. My time just starts to blend together, but that was the newest to our offering and has been really successful. And so, the foam box moving into box format as a result of, the benefits like freshness, flexibility in quantity size, it minimizes waste. There's so many licensee benefits, the value. It just made sense for us to go that route. As the wine industry evolves and as we evolve as a company, there's obviously more and new and innovative opportunities where we can really lower our carbon footprint and be as environmentally friendly as we can. And box wines fit into that perfectly. It was actually a study I saw from the California Sustainable Wine Growing Group or Alliance. Anyway, and they had the study showed that box wine has 84% lower carbon emissions than traditional glass bottles. So that is key in terms of moving forward and growing within the industry to make sure that we're doing whatever we can to be more environmentally friendly and sustainable in the future. And that's a result of it being lighter packaging. There's less packaging required, more sustainable materials. The recyclability of it is a really key component for our consumers as well. So it's definitely something that we trialed it. The reception on it was really good. We had really great success with it, doing that in-house. And so it's something that's on our radar to hopefully be able to expand in the future as well. May 3rd, we opened up. We're 7 days a week. We're just coming into the end of this month. We'll start our dinner service, which we offer on the evenings. And we've got our events all launched for the season. So we're doing some fun new things this year. A list event, so that's low impact strength training. We've got our yoga events back. We're doing our drag show again with Glitter and Grit out of the valley here. And then another new one in the middle of July is we've got Tracy and Martina coming here to do a not a podcast, but that's kind of what they've become really known for, and they're going to come and do a comedic bit with us there. So really excited. We're starting to see tourists around quite a bit earlier than usual this year, which is a really great sign. And knock on wood, the weather has been awesome so far this season. So I'm really hoping we can just keep that going. 12 Tides. I can't remember what year this is. We've been going for a while, but it's that one is held in Halifax at a new location this year. So it's at Pier 21, and it's going to be really exciting. Great food, a real celebration of the new vintage of Tidal Bay. So it gives everybody an opportunity to pick your Tidal Bay for the season, get to try everyone's new vintage side by side, have conversations with a lot of the primaries and the winemakers directly. And it's a really great opportunity to really engage with those people in the industry who are the ones really driving things and making the wines and growing the grapes.